of these sites reflects the different aspects of India's journey to independence, from the brutal repression of dissent to symbols of sacrifice and journey. From the brutal repression of dissent to symbols of resistance and poignant reminders made struggle and sacrifices made by the countless individuals. Let us begin our exploration. Massacre is built on April 13, 1990, in which British troops fired on a large crowd of unarmed Indians in an open space known as the Jallianwala Bagh in Massacre in the Punjab region of India, killing several hundred people and rendering many hundreds more. This brutal event is considered a turning point in India's struggle for independence, galvanizing the Indian population and leading to increase the support for the Indian National Congress and its leader Justice Mahatma. wall stretched over 2 kilometers. It served as the main residence of Mughal emperors for about 200 years until the British colonial rule. The fort housed the emperors and their households along with the ceremonial and political center of Mughal government. After taking control of 1857, the British seized the Red Fort and it became a symbol of British colonial power. It was used as a military camp until India gained independence. When India got freedom, the Red Fort was chosen as the site for Independence Day celebration for its historical significance. It was from the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the national flag and addressed the nation back in 1940. The fort has came to symbolize the Indian freedom struggle and is a powerful national symbol of the country's sovereignty and heritage. I thank all the visitors of this virtual tour of this independent